Hey guys, welcome again to David's tutorial, and today I will show you how to change your Android TV Smart Assistant. If you want to change the assistant on your TV, then here's how to do it. So prior to this is that there is already an assistant for this, which is the Google Assistant, but if you want to change it, then go to your apps. So go to the right corner. At the very right, you can go click on the add application. From there is go on search for apps. Let's say you want to search Alexa. So Alexa cannot install in direct via TCL, so you want to install Google Play Store first. So let's install Google Play Store.
Results for Google Play Store.
So for that, go to Google Play Store and then install your Alexa, then turn off the shortcuts with the Google Assistant and then change it to Alexa, and you're up.